Hey, what's happening, everybody? So let's talk about why crypto is down today. It has a lot to do with with what's happening in the traditional markets, and that's one thing we're seeing a lot with cryptocurrency recently, especially here in 2022, is that the crypto markets are following the regular markets very closely. That's not always been the case, but this is actually a good sign for the longevity of cryptocurrency because the big knock on crypto is what? Well, that it's too volatile, right? There's too much risk, right? You can go to sleep and you lose everything the next day. And in some ways, that's true outside the traditional markets where there's opening times and closing times, and you can go to dinner and not have to check your phone, and the markets are closed until tomorrow. But we are seeing trading flatten out a little bit here with crypto. And let's talk about what's going on in the traditional markets that is also infiltrating into crypto and how it all kind of works together. So let me add this article to the stream here. Market wrap: cryptocurrencies decline with equities. Traders remain cautious. So, most cryptocurrencies across the board trading down here over the past 24 hours. The NASDAQ 100 is down by about 5% from its all time high, compared with a 4% drawdown in the S&P 500, which, let me tell you, that's a big hit when it comes to the S&P, and a roughly 37% drawdown for Bitcoin. See, a lot more volatile. But when things are going good, they're going real good. Government bonds deemed to be a traditional safe haven investment are also selling off as yields rise. Now, the iShares 20 plus year Treasury bond exchange traded fund NASDAQ TLT. It's also down nearly 17% from its recent high. So it's not only crypto. That's the moral of the story here. We're feeling the hurt and the pain across all markets right now. So when we look down here, talking about retail money versus large investors coming in, institutional money. Basically, this is a quote from the co-founder of mobile digital bank Mindplex, and he said this: the premier cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, is not growing because of the inaction on the part of retail and, most importantly, institutional investors to stack up on the coin. Therefore, Bitcoin's revival could depend on large investors returning at current or lower price levels despite macroeconomic headwinds. And I always say this too: when in doubt, zoom out. Look where Bitcoin has gone in the past year. It is still well above anything in traditional markets. Look how far Ethereum has gone in the past year. It's still well above anything in the traditional markets. So when we see 15 to 20% to 25% hits in the short term, zoom out. Look what it's done. Look at the performance over time of the major blue chip cryptocurrencies, and you're going to see gains that you will not find in the S&P 500. I'm not saying you should be all in on crypto. I think you should be diversified, but the reason why people come into crypto is because of the major gains. Let's not hold any punches. That's exactly why we're here. So things will get better, and when they do, our portfolio will turn a lot greener. Now, let me scroll down here. The chart below shows a rise in addresses holding 0 to 100 BTC over the past month, indicating that an accumulation of Bitcoin by small accounts is happening. So retail money is actually coming in, but because it's not the big whales coming in, the big institutional money all at once, we're not seeing the price impact. However, we need widespread adoption. We need the people like you and I to get invested in crypto as well. Large holders, addresses holding 100 to 100,000 BTC, however, remained on the sideline as the price of Bitcoin continued to decline in December. And I'll just tell you, I have one Bitcoin, so I am not a large holder in this metric by any means. I'm with you here. So we're all waiting for this thing to turn back around. All right. But large holders will come back into the space. I think eventually financial institutions will have to give up their reins in some respect because Bitcoin is the future. That's why we're all here. That's why you watch this channel. That's why I create the content, because we all believe that. The regular monetary system is broken, and Bitcoin is the way forward, along with other blue chip cryptocurrencies in the space. So that's what I got for you here in this update. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. If you agree, disagree, please, love to hear from you down below. Patreon link down below as well if you want to come over and join us. Great time to do so. We've got almost 1,000 members over there talking different crypto each and every day, different plays for you. I'll let you know when I'm buying, when I'm selling. Can never guarantee success in an individual coin, but overall track record is pretty good. I think most people are very, very happy with our performance as a whole. So that's what I got for you here in this video. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one.